Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. For today's video, we will be presenting the answer for the past year question March 2015, which is also apart from our syllabus for the subject analysis and valuation of fixed income securities. It is from chapter 4, measuring yield. For the first part of the video, let me introduce our group members. First, it is me, AMIRUL ILYAS. The second, Muhammad AIMAN. And third, Muhammad HAZEEM ZAFRAN. Fourth, AKIF ZAFRAN. And the last one is Muhammad IZZAT SYAFIQ. Without further ado, let's start it up.
This is the question March 2015. Cikgu Bahau has a 10-year investment horizon. He is considering a 15-year 6% coupon bond selling to yield 8% compound semi-annually. His expectations are as follows. The first 6 semi-annual coupon payment can be reinvested from the time of receipt to the end of the investment horizon at 8% compound semi-annually. The second 6 semi-annual coupons, together with the amount accumulated from the earlier 6 payment, can be reinvested from the time of receipt to the end of the investment horizon at 9% compound semi-annually. The next 4 semi-annual coupons, together with the amount accumulated from the earlier 12 payment, can be reinvested from the time of receipt to the end of the investment horizon at 10% compound semi-annually. The last 4 semi-annual coupons, together with the amount accumulated from the earlier 16 payment, can be reinvested from the time of receipt to the end of the investment horizon at 11% compound semi-annually. The required yield to maturity on 5-year bond at the end of the investment horizon will be at 6% semi-annually. The first thing that we need to do is list down the data information. The first data is the present data. The coupon payment is RM30, N is 20 times, the K is 4%, and the par value is RM1,000. Second is the future selling price. For the N future selling price is 10 times, and the K is 3%. The third is reinvestment data. For the first reinvestment data for the 6 time, the K is 4%, and the second for the 6 time reinvestment, the K is 4.5%. For the third reinvestment for 4 times is 5%, and the fourth for the reinvestment data 4 times, the K is 5.5%.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAZEEM EZARIQ and I'll be explaining the answer for question 1 and question 2. For question 1, the question asks for the coupon price of the bond for semi-annually. So the formula we use for CP is CR over M times par value. The CR is 6%, the M is 2 because semi-annual, and par value is not stated, so we can consider it as 1,000. After calculating using the formula, the CP we got is RM30. For question 2, the question asks the value of bond at the beginning of his 5-year investment horizon. Therefore, we will use the formula purchase price equal to CP bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K over M divide by K over M bracket and to the power of negative Mn plus par value bracket 1 plus K over M bracket to the power of Nm. After substituting the data we gathered before, the answer we got is 518.76 cents plus 308.31 cents. After adding both of the number together, the answer we get is RM 827.08 cents.
For the question number 3, the value of bond at the end of his 10 years investment horizon. So for this question, we use the data information at the future selling price. So at the future selling price, the N is 10 times and the K is 3%. So this question use the formula of purchase price at the end of the year. So the formula is coupon payment multiply 1 minus 1 plus K per M power of negative ZM divide by K per M. And then plus par value multiply 1 plus K per M power of negative ZM. So after the calculation, we get the answer for this question is 1,000 ringgit. For the question number 4, the total coupon plus interest on interest received. To get the total coupon plus interest on interest received, first we need to find the reinvestment interest. So to know the percentage of reinvestment interest, we can look at the data information at reinvestment. So we can get the K for the investment interest. So this is the first step of calculation for reinvestment interest. After we calculate the reinvestment interest, we know the answer of the reinvestment interest is 984.0792 ringgit. So back to the question, we need to find interest on interest received. So the formula for the interest on interest is coupon payment multiply 1 plus K power of N minus 1 divide K and then minus coupon payment multiply HM. So by using this formula, we need to remove the coupon payment at the beginning. So after we calculate the interest on interest, we get the answer is 384.0792 ringgit.
Moving on to the question number 5. The question requires us to find the total coupon accumulated for his 10-year investment horizon. To do so, we have to compute total coupon received from investment horizon. So, first thing first, we have to use the formula total coupon payment, which is CP multiplied by HM. And then the calculation would be 30 multiplied by 20, and the answer is 600 ringgit. Question number 6 requires us to find the reinvestment interest for his 10-year investment horizon. We will use the reinvestment interest formula for this question, and the answer would be 984 ringgit and 7 cents. The reason is because in question number 4, we already explained and answered the reinvestment interest for 10-year investment horizon. Question number 7 requires us to calculate the total future dollars from his 10-year investment horizon. In order to get this, we have to use the total future dollar formula, which is SP plus coupon reinvested. So, the calculation would be 1,000 ringgit plus 984 ringgit and 7 cents, which we already calculated in the previous question, and the answer will be 1,984 ringgit and 7 cents.
To calculate this question, the semi-annual approximate yield is total future dollar divided purchase price of bond power of 1 divided HM minus 1. So 1984.0792 divided 827.08 power of 1 divided 20 minus 1. So the answer from this calculation is 0.0447, and we have to multiply with 2 because the question is semi-annual. So the answer is 8.94%. The last question is about the find the annualized realized return from this 10-year investment horizon. So the formula is RRM multiply with M. So the calculation is 8.94% multiply with 2. The answer is 0.1788.